Hey everybody, it's your girl Charlotte Van Horn, Black Expats in Panama. On behalf of the entire Beip Welcome Wednesday committee and La Tapa del Coco, our gracious host, I just want to say thank you. Thanks to everyone who came out and made our first Welcome Wednesday such a huge success. Stay tuned to the end of this video to see when the next one is going to be happening. We look forward to seeing you there, and we're just so happy that so many wonderful people connected. Also, stay tuned to the end for more exciting events coming up, brought to you by Black Expats in Panama.